Hello everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video on how to hide subscribers on YouTube. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and do press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to open any web browser on your PC as I am using a Microsoft Edge for this. Now go in for new tab and searching for a youtube.com and press enter. As you can see, there are 12 subscribers in my YouTube channel and it is not hidden. That is, everyone can view my subscribers. Now, to hide these subscribers, you need to click on the profile icon on top right corner. Here, you can see the option of YouTube Studio. You click on it. At this page, you can see the option of settings on bottom of left corner just above send feedback. You click on it. Under settings, there are many options. You click on channel. Under channel, there are 3 options. You click on advanced settings. Here you can see the subscriber count section and there is tick mark. That means the subscriber in my channel is visible to everyone. If you untick this, click on it, then your subscribers on YouTube will be hidden. So after done, you click on save. Now for the confirmation whether the subscriber has been hidden or not, you need to go to your YouTube profile. For that, you click on the profile icon on top right corner. Then you click on your channel. As you can see, my subscriber has been hidden. This is how you can hide the subscriber on YouTube. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how to hide subscribers on YouTube. Thank you.